Where's the shopping cart? Use the phone to show me.
Right there.
Zoom in.
I think it's moved over again now. Over this way. I can see the wheel. There's cars over there stopped. Flooded out.
That's like 3 cars that are all flooded out.
Well, I think the blue one's fixing to tow the white one. But there's
Oh.
another car, that funny colored one up there with the blue plate. It's stalled out. Now then, see the cart, Alyssa?
Oh my goodness. There's a shopping cart inside the road.
Yeah.
Well, it's not even inside the road, it's in the middle of the road.
It's like
Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Are those just some really nice
guys.
people?
Yeah, those guys got that car out of the road.
They're so nice.
Goodness
Literally
gracious.
flooding right now though. I wonder about that river that's underneath the bridge.
Okay, now we can drive.
Why does this bit not have any water on it?
It's not as, it's higher up, a bit higher ground.
Look at those cars, they have no idea what's happening.
No idea what you guys are getting into there.
They really don't. Well, they might, like, look at that. They might think that that's all they're getting into. But no, sir, no. That's not as far as you're getting into water. Prepare to take a swim, people back there. Prepare to take a swim. What is in the road?
Dirt,
No, look, there's another one.
part of a trash can maybe? There's
looks like
another
part-
vehicle that's stalled out. I think.
In the middle of the
wants
road.
to move over.
Wants to turn. Good luck with that. I wish you luck.
Yeah, if he does, he can go. There you go. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do.
Why did they just go into the deeper water
Maybe
area?
they're gonna turn there, but yeah.
Why is there a school bus up there? School was out an hour ago. Nope, 2 hours ago. Never mind, 2 hours ago.
Maybe
2 hours
they're
and 40
going-
minutes ago.
I think you took enough video.
Yeah, I've taken 3 minutes of video.